Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some interesting tips and tricks for Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. The first thing that I want to show you is the app data usage. We can check that by going to settings. So let's find settings, and then over here we want to go to network and internet, and then we want to open the mobile network, choose your mobile network, and then finally over here we have app data usage. And over here you can check the usage of app data. You can see how much mobile data has been used for specific apps. You can also tap over here in order to choose the timestamp or the range from one day to another. The second thing that I want to show you is the LDAC audio codec for Bluetooth device. So if you have, let's say, earbuds, then you can go to connected devices in the settings. And then over here, once you connect your Bluetooth device with your smartphone, then you want to tap on the setting icon. And finally, over here we have HD Audio LDAC. So in order to make sure that this option is enabled, we can check it over here. And if you want to disable it for some reason, then of course we can tap this slider in order to turn it off or on if needed. Another thing is the screen time that we can check on our smartphone. And in order to do that, we need to open the digital well-being and parental controls. Once we go there, we can see how much time we are spending on different apps. And of course, we can also set some ways to disconnect from these apps. We have dashboard. We also have the bedtime mode, which prevents us from using apps after a certain time, as well as the focus mode, which is pretty much the same. We can choose apps that will be disabled during the focus mode. But over here in general, you can find the data about your usage of certain apps. Another thing that I want to show you is magnification, which is a cool thing if you like to zoom in and if you want to see more clearly on the screen. So we need to find the accessibility, there we go, we have accessibility. And then over here, we want to scroll down to find the display section, and over here we have magnification. If we tap over here, then we can enable the shortcut. We will see this information about how to quickly open the button. So let's tap got it. And now on the right side over here, we will find the button here. Once we tap on it, then we can press on the screen wherever we want in order to zoom in. And as you can see now, the screen is zoomed, and we can even zoom more by using two fingers at the same time. And we can tap the button once again in order to zoom out and return to the full screen. And this is how we can use the magnification in short. Now, another thing that I want to show you is the option to scan for unknown trackers. So if we go back from accessibility to the main menu of the settings, then we want to find security and, the safety and emergency. We want to go over here. And finally, here we have unknown tracker alerts. Once we go there, when we have Bluetooth enabled, we have the option to manually scan the nearby area if there are any trackers. So let's press this button and let's see what will happen. So the smartphone is now checking for trackers, and after a short time we should see the results. And there we go, we have no trackers detected, so we are good to go. If you want to, we can scan again, but of course we can also just go back. Alright. Now by default, this model of smartphone doesn't have the always on display mode, or at least it is not really customizable. However, we can use a third-party app, for instance, Movies Edge, which can be downloaded from the Play Store. Once you go to the Play Store, you can tap over here and then type Movies Edge, and then you should find this app over here, which you can install and then open. This is a great app if you want to have a custom always on display, and you have several options. Some of them are for free, those with stars are premium, but it is still a cool way to have AOD on your Motorola. Another thing that I want to show you is another app, and you might be familiar with this feature, which has been recently added on iPhones, and that is the dynamic island. Now in this case, we're gonna use the dynamic spot app, and once again we can find it on Play Store. So instead of Movies Edge, this time we want to type dynamic spot, and this is the app that we want to use. Once we install it, then whenever, of course, we will have to configure it, and you will be, of course, informed about everything on your screen. So you need to simply follow the instructions in order to set up all of these apps actually. And once you set this up, you should have the dynamic island at the top of your screen. Okay, so this is the example how it looks like. Right now I have a missed call, and here is the dynamic island. I can tap on it in order to see what happened, and of course we can just swipe it in order to close it. A pretty cool feature, so if you like this feature on iPhones, you can try it out on your Motorola as well by using this app. And another thing that I want to show you, the third app, is the Snapseed, which has an option to erase objects from your pictures. So if you have taken a photo and then you want to edit it, then you can download this app from the Play Store, and we want to type Snapseed. There we go. And of course, this is the app that we want to use. We want to install it and run it. And like I said, we can edit our photos. In general, this is a good app that allows you to edit your photos. But it can also be used in order to erase something from your pictures. So I have this example, this picture which I want to edit, so I can go to Tools, and then if you want to erase something, you want to choose Healing over here. And now we can select the area that will be edited by the app. So let's say I want to remove the Motorola text at the bottom of the box. So let's see how it works. And there we go. Now the text is gone. Of course, this app works in different ways. Sometimes the results are better than the other times, so you can give it a try, and of course you can let me know in the comments if you like it or not. So I think these are all pretty cool tips and tricks that you can use on your Motorola Moto G04 or G04s. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!